Membership sites are all the buzz on the internet today. Perhaps you've heard of them. Perhaps you've heard of residual income as well, where you do something once and get paid for it again and again. It's a pretty exciting way to get paid, and until recently, it was also a very difficult thing to accomplish. But not anymore. Finally, you can use the simplicity of a membership website to generate the power of residual income for yourself. How would you like to set up a system where hundreds of people send you money each and every month on an ongoing basis? Now imagine that same system can be repeated time and time again. To find out more with absolutely no obligation, simply enter your first name and primary email address in the form to the right. Then click the Membership Secrets button. You'll instantly receive the free 5-part email training series revealing this secret system. It explains exactly how you can set it and forget it while your membership site pays you month after month, all on autopilot. This course is easily worth $67, but if you fill in the form on the right, it's yours 100% free, no strings attached. So do this right now.